Servus and welcome! I'm René, a senior consultant at Tenfold, and in this video we will cover the email notification plugin. After configuring the SMTP server, Tenfold is able to send emails. Primarily, this is handled using the email notification plugin under Provisioning, Plugins, Email Notification. Each tab within the plugin allows you to define how emails are sent for pending approvals or other tasks. Under the General tab, you can activate the notification on failed requests. It is recommended to specify a general email address for the Tenfold administrators, for example, to receive notifications about failed requests. In other sections like Person Data, File Server and Exchange, the configuration looks basically the same, but can be customized as needed. You can notify an approver when there are pending approvals, as well as the request creator if a request is cancelled, rejected, or successfully completed. The final notification can also be sent to the affected person. Tenfold uses the default notifications for this purpose. They themselves cannot be modified, but you can copy, edit and use them here if you choose Use Custom Notification. The templates are found under Settings, Templates, Manage. If you want to enable your approvers to directly approve or deny requests out of their email notification, you can do so here. Else, only use the link to review request. So if they click the link to the request in the email notification, they will be directly forwarded to the request itself. In the Substitutions tab, you can set up notifications for substitutes, either to inform them about being assigned as a substitute or about an expiry thereof. The Data Owners section helps ensure that if a data owner is removed, someone is notified so a successor can be appointed. This can either be sent upon a lock or deactivation request of a Tenfold data owner person, or if the person is deleted. Under Global Events, you can define custom email events through customization. After enabling everything that you need a notification for, apply by clicking Save and you're done.